check out how to make these easy wizard staffs. Make them as party favors for your guests, or add them to your magical weapons arsenal. Here are the supplies you'll need. First, take your pipe cutters and your 3/4 inch PVC pipe and cut 4 even slices directly across from each other at the top of the pipe. This makes it easier to get started sawing. I have used 1 inch PVC and 3/4 inch PVC. Both work well as long as it's not the thin wall. Thin wall PVC breaks really easily after it's shaped. I felt like for a young guest, 3/4 inch was easier for them to hold, but 1 inch was sturdier. I'm using a coping saw. The distance from the blade to the top of the saw is 7 inches. That's how deep I want my cut. Use P80 sandpaper. The grit will help shave off the hard plastic nubs. Next, you're going to heat the PVC with a heat gun. That'll take about 3 minutes to melt the ends. You want it just melted enough that you'll be able to work with it. If you melt it too long, it'll begin to burn or sag so bad it's irreparable. To shape the end, I use a frozen water bottle. I shove it deep into the end of my PVC pipe to open the gap a little bit bigger. Slide your glow ball into your heated PVC. This is really hot. My fingers can take a lot of heat, so it doesn't look like this is very hot, but it is really hot. Now look over your design. If you see something that has an odd shape like this piece, just reheat it and reshape it. Once you have all of the ends kind of sitting where you want, take your pipe cutters and start clipping shards into each of the ends. Heat the ends with the heat gun just until the very tips are starting to melt, and then shape them, turn them, twist them, shape it how you want it. Use the P80 grit sandpaper and file all the ends off. Shake the bottle well and spray thin layers of paint on the staff without the glow ball. My bottle of brown spray paint got me through 6 staffs before it ran out. The kids loved having these staffs at the party. If you want to see more ideas like this, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.